Hi guys! I'm so happy to see you here in my creative corner.
My name is Aija.
Today, let's talk about crafting tools. Most frequent asked question that I got in my comments. Which glue gun is the best for crafting and which one do I use?
I actually have 4 different glue guns, but I only use one.
So guys, stay with me and I will explain you why I'm using only one of them and which is the best for me.
Let's start with this one. This is my oldest glue gun. As you can see, it has a lot of history. It's seen many projects. I bought it in a local hobby store. It is very light and it was very cheap. It's a great little tool, but there is one problem: the cord. The wire is very short. If the power outlet is not right next to your desk, you have to use an extension cord every time.
It just makes the workspace a bit messy.
Now the second one. This is also an old one from Parkside. The cool thing is you can use it with or without a wire. It came with a stand, but in my creative process I lost it somewhere. I use this one for big serious projects. It uses large glue sticks, so it's also great when I want to use colored glue. But there is a minus. It is heavy and a bit clunky. For small delicate work, it's not the best choice.
But for the big things, it works very well.
The third one is the little pink glue gun from AliExpress. It was super cheap and it is super light. It's good for very small, delicate projects. It has an on-off switch on the side. Some people might like that, but for me, it's not really useful. And there is one big problem with this one. It drips a lot. Maybe that's why it has a switch, but turning it on and off all the time is just not comfortable for me.
Of course, it does its job, but I only use it a couple of times because of the cord. It's very short.
And finally, the winner. This is my favorite. It's from Hodo. Why do I love it? First, it is cordless. No more short wires. It is so comfortable to move around my desk. Second, it gets hot very fast. It even has a light indicator that tells me when the battery is getting low. I also like that it can stand up on its own. It sounds like a small thing, but it's so easy to grab while I'm working. And look at its tip. It's made of silicone. This means it's super easy to clean. It's small, it's light, and it's perfect for both big and small projects. If you're interested, link will be in description.
Everyone is different and we all have different needs. What works for me, it might be different for you. Try a few options to see what feels best in your hands. This is my choice and it makes my creative life so much easier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!